Hello viewers, I have already made 3 videos on Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, yet in spite of that, a lot of users want to know a lot of things. Some users asked me about the sleep record, whether this Fitband can track the sleep like awake, remember, light sleep, deep sleep. Yes, it can record these things and you can also watch those things in your Fitband. But if you more details, you have to click on the smartphone Samsung Health app and then there you can get the full data. However, you will get the initial information from the Fitband 3. In order to get the full data and full analysis of your sleep, you have to click on Samsung Health and there you can see the full track record of your sleep, how much you slept last night. You just have to scroll up and there you can see your sleep score. 78% sleep score means good sleep. Here you can see how much you slept last night. It will show you total sleep time, sleep cycles, wakefulness, physical recovery, mental recovery, and then sleep stages. How much time you were awake, how much time you were remembering, how much time you got light sleep and deep sleep also. And after that, blood oxygen during your sleep will be also shown in the app. So this is a very good app also, Samsung Health, where you can get all the details related to your fitness. If you want to track your fitness level, you can use this app with Fitband 3 to get a full analysis. Also, some users asked me whether this Fitband 3 can be paired with any other Android smartphone. The answer is yes. I have paired it with my Vivo V29 Pro and you can see that whenever I switch off the Bluetooth, it will disconnect. Here you can see the sign, and when I click on Bluetooth or when I enable Bluetooth, it instantly detects the phone and it connects. Connection between Fitband 3 and smartphone is instant, but one thing I noticed that the range of Bluetooth connection with the Fitband 3 is very minimal. Whenever you are away with some meters, it will disconnect. So in order to have a good connection, you have to have the smartphone with you in a minimal length. In the Fitband 3, there is an icon of airplane mode. A users wanted to know what will happen if I click on airplane mode. It will automatically disconnect the Fitband 3 with the smartphone, but it will not enable airplane mode in smartphone. It will just disconnect your Fitband 3. So this is the case with airplane mode in Fitband 3. And how to change watch faces? Some users asked me. You can change watch faces by long pressing the watch face. In this way you can change the watch face and you can set the watch face you want to set. Also, if you want more watch face, you have to visit the wearable app. In this app you can have over 100 plus watch faces, but in the Fitband 3 you can store only 10 watch faces at a time. Whenever the watch faces remain the number of 10, you have to delete one in order to get another one. So you have to be worried about that. Another user want to know about the outdoor visibility of this smart band. In outdoor condition, the display is clearly visible as it comes with 500 nits of brightness. You will have no problem regarding the sunlight legibility of Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 smart band. I have tried to answer all the questions asked by users. If you still have any questions regarding Fitband 3, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like button and share this video and subscribe the channel if you are new. Your subscription will help me to grow in the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.